Hello, family and friends. This is Beverly Black, and I pray that everyone is doing very well today. Today, I come to you with a quick review on this desk lamp right here. This desk lamp is a 3D night light. So we're going to open up this package and see what goodies is inside of it. Hold on. Here's the box. And on the side here, it shows that it comes in different colors: red, pink, orange, blue, purple, green, and black. And the color, I believe, let me see what color we have today to review, to look at. Let's see what's in this box. So far, this is it. Ooh, that's pretty. I guess there's some little instructions here. They look like they're in Chinese. I can't read not one bit of it. Okay. Here's your charging cord. And here's the base. Okay. I believe that this sits right in here. It does. There it is. Where's the on and off switch? Let me see what I can find around here for it to turn it on and off. Well, here it is. Let me see what I can read about it. Maybe that will help me. This is a KEOJI 3D Hourglass nightlight with touch control. Touch control. And USB rechargeable 7-color desk lamp for bedroom, bedside decor, and unique housewarming gift. Wow. It's crystal clear, adding a different dynamic beauty to your house. And it says that it's touch. I have to plug it up. It needs to be charging. It needs to be charged, rather. And I'm going to stick this in. It is on. The little touch thing is right here that you touch, and it changes the different colors. Look at there. You see the different colors, and it changes around. You can put this in a nursery, anywhere you want a little night light. You can put this. Look how it changes the colors. And also you see the sand. The sand will move in it. You see that? When you move it around. It's very fine sand in it. But this is a very good night light to put in a kid's room or somewhere that you need a little light. And it has to fully charge because I just got it and it hadn't been charged, so that's why I couldn't get it on. But this is a nice little night light. And I'll have the information in the description about this night light. I'm tongue-tied, y'all. And the brand is KEOJI. Kyoji. And this is a 3D hourglass night light with touch control and USB rechargeable 7 colors desk lamp for bedroom, bedside, children, a nursery, wherever you may need a night light. So thank you all for coming and watching this video today. I appreciate it. Remember, I will have all the information down below. Oh, and it changes the colors by itself. Look. See, I'm learning as I go. This is a nice little device. So everyone have a blessed and prosperous day. Remember, I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are his masterpiece. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I would appreciate it. Hit the notification bell to all so you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. So everyone, stay blessed and remember that I love you. Bye-bye.